Hello friends, welcome back. My passport came in the mail and I'm so happy I decided to take my own pictures at home, but I'm even more happy my picture and passport were approved. I want to show you all how I took my own pictures at home so you can avoid the CVS pictures. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Okay, so I have my watch set up so that I can take my own pictures, and then as you guys can see, my tripod is now set up. If I didn't have my watch, it'd be fine. I would just do a timer on my phone for 10 seconds and I would hold still even after the last flash, because I noticed that the first time when I was taking them, if I would move as soon as the flash was done, my picture was kind of blurry. So I'm gonna position myself right here. One thing that they say online is to avoid any shadows in the back. You'll want to be at least 2 to 3 feet away from the wall. So I'm trying to be to the edge as close as I can. Okay, so I think this is good. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot. Oh no, I zoomed out. Oh no. So your lips should be closed. Whether you smile or not, they need to be closed. I'm gonna do one more take because I feel like I was too close to the camera, so I pushed my phone back a little bit. So my hair is a little frizzy on the side and I feel like I keep trying to fix it, but it's not working. So the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just shoot one more time, but with my hair halfway up, and I'm hoping that just is it. Alright, so I think I'm actually gonna probably go with that one. This is just a preview of everything that I took. I definitely think I like my hair up, halfway up, versus my hair down. I just feel like my hair down, again, I'm so scared of getting rejected. So I think I'm gonna go with one with my hair up. I hope you found this video helpful. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Bye you guys.